Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator, and I have been painting for 15 years, so I have a bit of experience in this field. I'm obsessed with Procreate, watercolor, magical things, and cute stuff, and in my classes I try to combine all those topics together in order to make my classes fun and useful. So welcome back to my class, and let's dive into postage stamp art and paint all together 6 beautiful illustrations devoted to this topic. And in the end of my class, you will learn more about Procreate, especially how to decide what to draw, where to find inspiration, how to use layers, clipping mask, how to create watercolor texture paper, and how to add volume and color variations to your art. And most importantly, you will learn how to create watercolor postage stamps in Procreate using digital brushes in a fun and easy way. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. First of all, I will show you where to find freebies and how to import them into the Procreate. Then we will talk about where to find inspiration and creative ideas. Then we will create texture paper. Our next step will be creating sketches. And finally, we will start adding colors, shades and highlights. Then we will explore different shapes of postage stamps and how to fit the illustrations into the stamp. Our closing step will be creating and using mockups for our art. Mockup will help you to display your illustration in a most beautiful way. As a bonus, I will share with you my texture paper, custom brush set, color palette, my own pictures that I created. The class is great for intermediate level and for experienced artists. For everyone who is interested in digital watercolor art and postage stamp illustrations. The class requires you to have basic knowledge about Procreate, so for beginners it can be a little bit overwhelming. And one more thing that I want to mention, your opinion and your feedback is very important to me. So feel free to tell me what you think about the class in discussion or review section. I will be glad to reply to you. My dear art fellows, I can't wait to start this class and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to projects section. Let's not wait, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and let's start painting process together.